This 5-minute solution will show you how to change the country and region on Amazon app from iPhone. So if you're wondering how to change country and location, follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, launch the Amazon app and then tap on this account icon at the bottom menu. Tap on this country or flag icon at the top right. Now tap on country and region. And to change your country from this list, select the country. And now you can change your language from here. You can change your currency as well from here. Tap on done. And this is how we can change country and region on Amazon app from iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.